So here we go, we're going to use the green chrome with the loose leaf calico type polishing wheel. Now this is a very gentle combination, great finishing combination, and it should basically bring that up beautifully. So basically once you've done that, you've got to spend a bit of time on it, because obviously I've been rushing through this and it's not perfect by any means, but what I'll do now is we're going to put a bit of metal polish on there. I'll run that through with you and you'll see how amazingly it brings it up. So what I'm going to do now is apply one of my favorite polishes, Blue Sapphire. This is quite a clever little polish. It actually brings alloy up beautifully. You want to use a nice soft cotton cloth. Work it a bit. You'll see that this actually brings go. That's quite good. Okay, look, there's a few blemishes in there. Obviously I've rushed through this. You can get a perfect result just by being a little bit more pedantic than I've been. And there you go. So I've come back now in a slightly different light, and as you can see, it's looking really good. So going from that to that, look, you can see the blemishes in there, but that's just because there's a couple of areas I've missed, which means I'll have to go back, as long as you get the gist. So I think it about wraps it up for this video. I hope you got a general idea of what the various compounds and wheel combinations can do, and the kind of finish you can get. The video is indicative of what the products can do, so you will see some blemishes in there, and obviously I could have done it better, but it is indicative. So please subscribe to my channel, and if you want to buy some of the products, go to polish-up.com.au and have a look at what we've got to offer. You can send us an email if you need some advice. Quite happy to answer those, unless of course you've broken something. then don't get hold of us. If you've got a bit of a critique, we'd love to hear from you, because always keen to learn. If you feel that there's a different way of doing it, we're open to different processes. So thanks very much. That's Rex from Polish Up. Cheers now.